Hello students, today we will enter into the new subject, that is algebra. The name of the first lesson is set. Before looking the set or what is meant by set, who has given the idea about the set, there is need that we should have to study about basic concepts of the number. There are different kind of numbers, and these numbers are divided or classified as a natural number, classified as a rational number, as a whole number, integers. So here first we will see what is meant by natural number. Yes, anybody can tell what is meant by natural number? Natural number means counting numbers. Counting numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, unlimited numbers. So numbers which are counted, that counting numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, dot means unlimited. These numbers are called natural numbers. So these natural numbers are denoted always by letter N. Always keep in mind that natural numbers are denoted by letter N. Then after natural number, which numbers are there? There are whole numbers. What is the definition of whole number? Can anybody tell? Yes? Yes, tell. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, what is the difference in the natural number and whole numbers? Only 0 is added in counting numbers. So what is added? 0 is included. So natural numbers including 0, natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. So however, natural numbers are denoted by letter N. Similar way, whole numbers are also denoted by letter W. Whole numbers are denoted by letter W. The next number, another type of number is called an integer. But before going in integers, I am appealing you that you are watching this video on one of the YouTube channel, that is Ashoka's English Medium Academy. So I appeal you that you should have to subscribe this channel to get further videos. We are going to but I am sending you videos of all subjects. So there is need that if you want videos, then you must subscribe this channel, and whatever difficulties are there, or whether you are understanding or not, you should have to write your comments. Understand? So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now we are going into the integers. What is meant by integers? Integers means, just we have seen that 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 means natural and whole numbers. Along with these whole numbers, negative numbers are also taken together. Means all negative numbers, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Means all these positive, negative numbers and 0 together called integers. And integers are always denoted by letter I. Integers are denoted by here letter I. N stand for natural numbers, W stand for whole numbers, I stand for natural numbers. Now next type is rational number. Rational number means which numbers are there? Rational numbers means all integers with positive, negative fractions are called rational numbers. And these rational numbers are denoted by letter Q. What are the examples? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 upon 2, 1, 0, 1 upon 2. Like these numbers are called rational numbers. Then we are going to study about next type of numbers. The next types of numbers means real numbers. Yes, anybody know what is meant by real number? Who can tell me what is meant by real number? Real number, simple, I am writing here, you may also write real numbers. Real numbers, in case of these real numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.23, etc. means all positive negative numbers, all positive negative numbers, all positive negative numbers, 0 and decimal numbers, and decimal numbers together called real numbers. These real numbers, in short, rational and irrational. Rational and irrational numbers together called real numbers. These real numbers are denoted by letter R. Understand? N stand for natural number, W stand for whole numbers, I stand for integers, this R stand for real numbers. What is difference? Decimal numbers. Decimal numbers, all fractions, all integers, whole numbers, natural numbers are included in a real number. Then what is meant by rational number? What is meant by irrational number? There is another one lesson. We will take more information about what is meant by rational and what is meant by irrational number. Okay? Now, we are going to take knowledge about some more types of numbers. Even numbers. Yes, anybody knows? Even numbers. Yes, who can tell me definition of even numbers? Numbers which are divisible by 2. Numbers which are divisible by 2. Yes, you know. Numbers that are which are divisible by 2 are called numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Yes, who can tell me examples of even numbers? Simple. Even numbers is which are divisible by 2, means 2 is divisible by 2, then 4, then 6, means there is difference between two numbers is of 2. 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 8, 10, 12, unlimited. Okay? Any problem about even numbers? Now, odd numbers. Next number is odd numbers. Yes, do you know? Who knows? Odd numbers which are not divisible. Numbers which are not divisible by 2. Numbers which are not divisible by 2. For example 1, 3, 5, correct? 7, 9, ... Understand? Have any problem about this? Now, if you don't have problem, because you have taken knowledge about this type of numbers up till 8th standard. So it's so simple. Next is that prime number. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. Yes, who knows about prime numbers? Numbers which are divisible by itself. Numbers which are divisible by itself are called prime numbers. Are called prime numbers. Then who can tell me which numbers are divisible by itself only? 1. Oh, but 1 is divisible by 1, I can also understand, but 1 is called a co-prime number. 1 is called a co-prime number, and remaining, yes, you can tell. Example 2, 3. 2 is divisible by 2. 3 is divisible by 3. 5 correct. 7 correct. Yes. No, 8 not. 9 not. Yes, 11 correct. 30 correct. Next time 70 correct. 90, 23, 29, 31, 37, then 41. Yes, go ahead. 41, 43, 47, 53, then 59, correct. 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, yes, correct. Continue. 83, correct. 83, then 89, 97. These are the prime numbers less than 100. These are the prime numbers less than 100. You may write this. Here onwards also there are number of prime numbers which are divisible by that number itself. Do you understand up to here? If you have understand, then we can go to take information related to this lesson set. Okay, is it clear? Now, once again I am reminding you to subscribe our channel. You should write your comments to improve the quality of teaching. Definitely, we will think suggestions made by you and we will bring improvements in teaching. Now, in this lesson set, there was a mathematician whose name was there, G. Cantor. Cantor was a mathematician who has given idea about this set. What is meant by set? Before looking what is meant by set, first we will take little information about the signs and symbols. Signs and its meanings, okay? Or symbol and its meaning. You should have to write this symbol and its meaning. Meaning. Yes, who knows this? Is equal to, correct? Is equal to. You know this, then also I am writing is equal to. Do you know this symbol? Few knows, few not. So it is not equal to. Not equal to. Not equal to. Now this is greater than. Greater than. Greater than. This is less than. This sign is relative. It is depend upon writing of number. Means for example, suppose if I write here 8 and if I write here 10, and if we write this sign, no use. Means how we should have to write 10 is greater than 8, and it means that 8 is less than 10. Or if here it is written here 10, then it will come like this, means 10 is greater than 8. Okay, this is relative, just I told you that. It is depend upon number, arrangement of the number. Now next one is that not less than, equal to or not less than. Okay, similar way it is, if it is written like this, then equal to or greater than, Next symbol is that like this sign is there drawn, then this is the sign of belongs to. This is the sign of belongs to. Now if here written like this, then it becomes does not belong to. Only line, straight line, incline the line. This is called as such a that. This is called such a that. This is called such a that. Yes? Is equal to, you are familiar with some of the signs. Is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, equal to or not less than, equal to or greater than, belongs to, does not belongs to, and such a that. Please, you should see this all. Again, we have to see some more symbols related to this lesson. This means such a that. Yes? Any difficulty? If not, then we will go to see some more symbols and their meanings. I am going to give you a chance to tell you yourself, and then afterwards again we will see. Simple one, just I have told you. So M means what, W means what, I means what, R means what, Q means what. Then what is meant by P? Yes, you should have to write the meanings of all these, and then I will tell you some more symbols. U means what? Like this means what? Exactly opposite. This U means, I will tell you, this is the symbol of union state. This is the symbol of intersection state. Intersection state. This is the symbol of subset. This is the symbol of subset. So please, you should have to write this all. You should have to tell me what is meant by N, W, I, R, Q, P, etc. Just giving 1 minute for you to write this all, and you should write this, and then we will see some more information. Okay, now here some more symbols are given to you. This is the symbol of superset. This is the symbol of superset. Its meaning of this symbol is proper superset. Next is that any letter is written, then it is called means simply in the place of however we are writing 2 raised to 3 means however we are writing power. So like that, if any letter is written and at the head, at the top of that letter, if we put there one small line That is called, this is the symbol of complement set. For example, complement set A, complement set B, like this if written complement set B, complement C, like that. Now, here, this symbol stands for not superset, this symbol stands for not subset, not subset. Previously we have seen that this symbol means this is the symbol of subset. Just I have told before of it. And this means now, this sign stands for set. Actually, this is called a brace bracket. Which bracket? Brace bracket. Brace bracket. Okay. So, these are the symbols are necessary in lesson set. Now here, we are going to study what is meant by set. Just you should see, and then we will go in the next part that what is meant by set. Here, in case of this online teaching or education through smartphone has one benefit to you, that you may go back again and again. You can't ask to teacher again and again because teacher has limitations of time. He can't go back again. But here you may pause, you may go back, and again you may study. This is one of the best benefit to you. So now we are going to study about what is meant by set. Who gave this concept? I told you that great mathematician G. Cantor has given concept of this set. Set means what? Set means collection of objects. And writing here simple definition of set: collection of object. Collection of objects. Collection of objects. For example, garland. Garland is an example. You know garland? Yes. Number of flowers are connected to each other. So, garland is an example of set. The military. Military means what? When military name is taken, then just a lot of number of soldiers come before our eyes. And when, for example, meeting is never taken with single person. It's only one man sat somewhere and he told that I am in meeting. Will you believe? No, not. Meeting means more than one. More than one people should come together. Means collection of objects. Collection of objects. That is called a set. Do you understand what is meant by set? How set is written? Set, how are sets written? Here I will show you practically. Suppose I want to write set A. Then what I will do? Capital. Name of set is always mentioned by capital letter. So A, this is always capital letter. B, C. Suppose these are the three sets. Then here set is written always, just we have seen symbol of set. Many are unable to write this symbol. Yes, it is difficult. Then you write 63 in Marathi. That is simple one. So then A is a set. A is a set. How are sets written? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finish. If set is completed, I have not given their dot. But these numbers means these numbers, all these numbers are called members. Members of set, members oblique elements. Elements of set. Elements of set. Then after every member or after every element, comma should be given. One more example we will take. B is a set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What happened here? There is comma after 2. there is comma after 4, after 6 there is comma, after 8 there is comma. Means when you are writing elements of the set, then you should have to keep their comma after every element. Now C is a set Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Okay, finish. Means after every element there is need to give comma, and this symbol is most important thing. Sets are always named with a capital letter. Sets are always written with capital letter. Elements of the set, for example, suppose here M is a set, you may write A, B, C, D, or this M will come capital only. Name of the set will come capital, but elements, members of the set can come in capital or in small. It doesn't matter. So understand what is meant by set, how set is written, that I have explained. Just I have told you that you may pause, you may go back, again you may study. If you don't have difficulty, then there are two types of writing the set. We are going to study the writing types of or methods of writing the set. Okay. First one method, there are two methods. Writing methods. Writing methods of a set. Writing methods of set. One is that listing method. Listing method. Listing method, or this listing method is called roster form. Roster form. Yes, do you understand? Writing methods of set. First method is the listing method or roster form, and second method is the rule form. Rule form or set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. Set builder form. Listing. Number of times teachers are telling you, or I am telling, or anybody can tell you, make the list, sort it, make the list of clever students, make the list of dull students, make the list of books, make the list of players. So listing means you are writing one after one. Means here list of elements is given. So roster form means list of elements is given. Example, A is equal to, we will see example. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are these? Oh, numbers. These are numbers, I know it. But which numbers are these? Yes, natural numbers. So A is a set of natural numbers. How many numbers are there, do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means few numbers are given. And these are natural numbers. Means we have listed up till 6. So after every element there is comma given. This is the list of natural numbers. And when it is written in this list form, that is called a roster form or listing method. Now rule form or set builder form. Means elements are described. Here elements are described. Means description method. Description. What is here? Description is made. For example now here this only. For example, A A in brace bracket or in curly bracket X. Then we will write here such that. This is the symbol of such that. Such that X belongs to N, X belongs to N, X belongs to N, natural number, X belongs to N means X belongs to natural numbers, and X is greater than 0 because numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. So X is greater than 0 and less than 7. Less than 7. This is called a set builder form. It is little bit difficult. Instead of this you may write or this only, same, you can describe it by different way. A is a set of X. X means simple way I am telling. X means first 6 natural numbers. Finish. Or someone can write by different way. One can describe because it is depend upon this description is depend upon particular student. Someone can write that X or someone can take A means natural numbers up to 6. Up to 6. Finish. So how should we describe? It is depend upon you. It is depend upon you. So writing methods of set, one more time we are revising it. There are two types of method. One is their listing method. Second one, listing method is called a roster form. Listing method is also called, another name is roster form. In this roster form, list is given, list of elements is mentioned, and in rule form or in set builder form, description means elements are described. Elements are described. For example, this one example we have taken. A is a set. A is a set of first 6 natural numbers. We can understand this. But here I wrote by different way. X such that X belongs to natural number and X is less than 7 and greater than 0. Or here X means first 6 natural numbers, or A means A such that A means natural numbers up to 6. So dear students, this lesson is very simple, really very simple. But today is our first day and here we have to stop here. I think that we have to stop here. We are going to take more and more information afterwards again. But don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to write your comments. Your comments will encourage me to improve the education quality, to improve my teaching. So you should tell to your friends, to subscribe this channel, and in next period we are going to study about 1.1 thanks.